Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, mark Add Account and choose Google. Now enter your screen lock pattern, password, whatever you use. And now enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. And once it is entered, click on Next. Now provide your password. And as only the password is entered, click on Next. And now mark if this device belongs to you or to your key. Mark Next. Agree to all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and privacy policy. You just have to do it because otherwise you will not be able to go to the next step. And you can turn on backup if you want to, but let me skip it for now. And that's it. So as you can see, the account is added. You can smoothly manage it right here. Once you want to remove it, just mark Remove Account and provide your screen lock pattern to confirm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.